It's an Animal Kingdom day. The park literally just opened, so we are headed towards probably Flight of Passage first. Go ahead and get that one done. It's our favorite here. So we're excited. We're gonna see some animals and have a great time. Oh, there he is. Look at him. How cute is he? There she is. Tree of Life. I don't know if you can tell, but there's really not very many people here right now. Lots of open space in front of me. Awesome shots for the tree. It's not often that you get this kind of view for the tree. This is a pretty awesome view. So everybody's headed to Pandora right now. Except them. Bye! But that's to be expected. We kind of knew that was going to happen. That's why we're doing it. Uh-oh. We lost the fanny pack. Blowout. Blowout. That's Tiffin's. We're gonna eat there for lunch. Yum. Who's excited about Tiffin's? That one. We're in Pandora. Probably one of the coolest areas in Disney World. For me, it's probably a close second to Galaxy's Edge. I really love the Star Wars area. But this is also really pretty. Lots of really cool stuff. It's very interesting foliage and trees and bushes.
To your left.
So we're still in line for Flight of Passage, and you notice that there do not touch signs on the drums, but I understand why. And there probably won't be a show here with the drummers. Who knows? You are a Pop-Tart.
That's right. Squish you in the middle with lots of love.
We just got off Flight of Passage. It was so much fun. So the whole process only took about an hour, and the line was super long, but it moved super quick. You don't ever stop. Yeah, we were back in Harambe near Festival of the Lion King, but we never stopped moving, which was really nice. So we got to see the whole line queue without having to stop. So it was really awesome. The ride is awesome as always. So
Never moved that fast before.
yeah, the line has never moved that fast. So
Since we're on.
So make sure you catch this when you're in Animal Kingdom. So we are headed into Africa from Pandora after Flight of Passage, and this is the crowd right now. Everyone's in Pandora waiting for Flight of Passage, and there's no one out and about, comparatively speaking, of course. It's very limited crowd, very light, very pleasurable. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. We are headed to get on the Kilimanjaro Safari. It says it's only a 25-minute wait, so we will see about that. And hopefully see some awesome animals. Here we go. Getting in line for the Kilimanjaro Safari. Quiga. Simba. Just got off Kilimanjaro Safari. It was super fun, but now we're gonna go in the sweet shop, get something good to eat, maybe a little snacky snack, and then head to Expedition Everest. We just got off of Expedition Everest. It was so awesome. We sat almost in the first row. It was so fast, and it's one of our absolute favorites. So now we're gonna walk over to Dinosaur. There's still very low crowds. That's Mom. Very low crowds here today. We're having a great time. We'll see how Dinosaur is. We are in line for Dinosaur. Yay! Dinosaur is fun.
We didn't change our mask.
Oh yeah, we need to change our mask. Nick.
What?
Did you like Dinosaur?
Nope.
Okay. That's a negatory. That is not Nick's favorite. I love it. It is a must-do every time. We are headed to lunch. We're gonna go to Tiffin's today, get some good food, and then see what happens after that.
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth, and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
This is the lobster mac and cheese. Lobster mac and cheese again with a Tiffin salad, shrimp and grits, and then there's that. We've only been in line for 5 minutes. We haven't stopped moving. And we are almost to the lab portion of the line. It's the fastest I've ever been through this line before. It is quite incredible, but actually kind of tiring to walk straight through this. So we're excited. We're slowing down just a little bit.
Please
Oh,
keep your face covered on at all times.
don't take your mask
Except
off.
when actively eating or drinking. Please keep your party together. Abide by the cue markings and maintain physical distancing
We
between
finally
your
stopped.
party and others.
This is where we stopped for the
Remember to
first
wash your
time.
hands frequently throughout your visit.
Wow.
Or use the sanitizer.
So we just got off flight of passage for the second time. It was only 45 minutes front to back. Like, got in the line at 3 o'clock. It is now 3:45 and we are off the ride. So incredible. We are headed out of the park for the day. It has been such a great day. The crowds have been super low. We were able to ride Flight of Passage twice, Expedition Everest twice. We rode Dinosaur. We rode Kilimanjaro Safari and saw some lions. It was just a pretty great day. So we are gonna try to get back to the hotel and maybe go back to Disney Springs tonight and see what the night holds for us. So see you later. Christmas! What is this? So exciting! So today is the opening day of the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge trading post at Disney Springs. There's lots of really awesome merchandise. It's really cool to be in here. This is a pass holder exclusive event, which is really awesome. Kitchenware. Look at how cute. Lots of really cool stuff. R2 units. D2 is one of my favorites. Really awesome merchandise. There's a new C-3PO that I've never seen. Some cool Resistance merchandise. X-Wing fighters, Pro X-Wing fighter models. Cool kids jumpsuit. Some more Resistance merchandise. Really cool stuff. Ooh, I see Stormtrooper. First Order Stormtrooper helmet. Cool. First Order merchandise. Kylo Ren's helmet. Wow. Look at that. You can dress like a member of the First Order, if that's what you're into. You can dress like Rey. Really cool stuff. I like the costumes. They're cool. And this bad guy, look at him. I guess good guy technically, but it's really cool looking. BB-8. I like BB-8. He's so cute. You got C-3PO again. R2-D2. I might have to get an R2. Holocrons. Kyber crystals. Figures. Lots of figurines. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure so far. I would absolutely love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much, and I can't wait for you to see my next video.